Hi everyone, it's Gail, and it is July 27th of the hashtag Jelly Postcard Play Challenge put on by Ceri the Crafter. So let's jump in. Here's our postcard. Here's the jelly print we're going to use. Let's get it on there and we'll go from there. Okay, line that up a bit and smooth that on. Okay, then we've got a ticket with the 27th. One of the not really rules, details. One of the challenge details is we need to use jelly print and we need to have the date on there. Okay, I think I'll give this a little distress around the edge. Get that on there. Just 3 elements on this one, very simple. Okay, I want those to touch. And then I have this little black sign that says journal. So we'll get that on there. Okay, and that is going to go right here. Got a little of the glue page attached. So there you have it. Simple but very fun. July 27th. So have a grateful day, everyone. Be kind always. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.